Dirty Harry is finding out what happens when you make enemies. They come after you. Prince Harry gloated about a lot of incendiary things in his January memoir: frostbitten penis, loss of virginity, and illicit drug use. The last one, breaking US drug laws, is coming back to haunt him. Now a US think tank wants to see Harry's immigration filings to determine if he told the truth about his drug use, and if not, he could be booted out of the good old US of A, the place that he likes to call home. Harry's immigration status could have major implications for his future in the United States. The situation is so serious that Harry may have to appear in court over the matter. The Heritage Foundation is a research institute focused on public policy. It's at odds with the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, for trying to get a copy of the Duke of Sussex's visa filings under the Freedom of Information Act. A think tank director and their lawyer told dailymail.com that the immigration papers could reveal a sensitive diplomatic issue, whether Harry declared his previous illegal drug use and whether DHS officers gave him special treatment. On his US residency permit, Harry had to declare if he's ever used illegal drugs. A yes answer often results in the application's denial, or extra steps including drug tests and interviews before getting a special waiver to allow for a visa. What the world does know is that Harry admitted to taking cocaine, magic mushrooms and cannabis in his memoir Spare, as well as in interviews. The Heritage Foundation believes that lied on his former or DHS gave him a special waiver, and either way, the American citizens deserve to know. The group filed a Freedom of Information Act request on March the 8th in an attempt to learn how Harry dealt with the form. Recently, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has said that Harry and Meghan Markle are annoying to some Americans. In an interview with Piers Morgan on Talk TV, Mr. DeSantis compared the Queen to the younger generation of royals. He said, "I really respected the Queen, I think she was really elegant, and I think her stoicism was very good." DeSantis then drew comparisons between the younger generations of royals, saying it was a little more mixed. He added, "I mean, that's just the reality." The Florida governor then said that he had no view on the Sussexes. But when quizzed further by Mr. Morgan over whether Harry and Meghan were annoying, he said, "I think for some they are." He added, "I mean, look, I'm not involved in all of that, but I think for some Americans they can be quite annoying." Harry looks set to be the butt of some more US-based jokes with Spare Us, a parody hitting the shelves on April the 1st. Talk TV's Royal Tea panel sat down to discuss how the couple could be impacted by the spoof book. Royal photographer Arthur Edwards said, "It's better than the book that Harry wrote because I didn't enjoy that. Seeing the way he rubbished some of the people that work hard for this country, I thought it was outrageous. I think that America is waking up to Harry and Meghan. I think they're saying that they're not such a golden couple that everyone thought they were, and I think this is probably the start of it. It'll be interesting in what the sales are for it. I hope it outsells your book," Harry says. When veteran royal reporter Robert Jobson pointed out the Duke's book made enormous sales, Edwards replied, "Yeah, I know, but we've got to hope, Robert. Fingers crossed anyway."